Hello. Welcome to the Keto Diet and Fitness channel. Losing weight is all about what you gain. Many people have thought about losing weight over the years, but often seem to fall short of an actual attempt to do it. The reason why so many people think about it so much is that deep down, they know that having that extra poundage is not at all good for them. The problem is, just knowing that being overweight is bad is not enough to really push many people to do something about it. Much like wanting to quit smoking, knowing it is bad for you don't induce people to quit doing it. However, if you were to find some really good reasons to quit smoking, as your doctor told you if you don't quit, you will lose a lung next year, which might make you act and just do it. Well, losing weight is just like quitting smoking. The more good reasons you have to do it, the more likely you are to act on it and make it happen. If you have something driving your motivation aside from just knowing it is bad for you, you are also more likely to maintain your weight loss goal once you reach it. First and foremost, losing weight means getting healthier. When you lose those extra pounds, you greatly reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, cancer, high blood pressure, diabetes, and joint stress, all conditions associated with being overweight. When you reduce these risks, it means you can have a much better chance of being around to see your children grow up and being around to enjoy your grandchildren. That alone is reason enough to get that weight down. Another reason you might want to consider losing weight is that you will feel better. As you begin to lose some of those extra pounds, you will start to notice your energy levels increasing. Being overweight by 20 pounds is like putting a 20-pound sack of potatoes on your shoulders all day. Extra body fat is nothing more than an extra burden to carry around with you every day, so the extra weight drains your energy. For this reason, overweight people tend to be less active, and this promotes more fat to collect upon them. As this continues, they become even less active, and so this becomes a vicious cycle leading to obesity. As a nice little side benefit, losing weight will make you look better, and who doesn't want to look better? Each and every one of us has a vision of what we want to look like. Most people are not completely satisfied with the way they look. They will always find something they don't like about themselves and wish they could change, and for people who are overweight, this can be a great motivator to lose weight. A recent study done concluded that as early as age 5, girls who had higher body weights had lower self-esteem than girls with normal body weight. When a person loses weight, what are almost always the responses of other people who know that person? You hear things like, "You look good, you've lost weight, haven't you?" And think about how you would feel when you've lost enough weight to be able to fit into that dress or that pair of pants you wore back in high school. Now keep in mind, looking better is a great reason to lose weight, but it should not be the only one. When you have at least a few good valid reasons to want to lose weight, it will be a lot easier to motivate yourself to get started and stay with it. Let's face it, your health, well-being, and self-esteem are very good reasons to get rid of those extra pounds and keep them off for good. Thank you for watching. Remember to comment, like, and hit the subscription bell to be notified whenever new content is published.